Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are going to be making the tandoori chicken mandi rice. For better understanding, watch this video without skipping. Okay, let's get started. In a bowl, add red chili powder. I'm using 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala, 2 tablespoons of zeera powder, also known as cumin powder, some kasturi methi, and 1 full cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, a little bit of oil, and then salt to taste. Mix everything completely with no lumps. Here I am adding the kesari powder for the color. Add the chicken. I am using 2 kgs of chicken. Take a big size container, pour some water and another container with holes. Add the chicken. I am using this container for steaming the chicken. Also, don't forget to save the water which is below the container for further use. Close the lid and steam the chicken for around 20 to 30 minutes completely and check if it's done. Take a pan. Grease some oil over it. Add the steamed chicken. Fry for around 5 minutes on each sides completely. Check if the chicken is fried as shown. Take another container, add 4 cups of oil, add shazira, pepper, cloves, biryani leaves, cardamom and cinnamon. I am using 4 big size onions, salt to taste. Close the lid until the onions are softly golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste. I'm using 3 medium-sized tomatoes and 1 handful coriander leaves. Again, salt to taste. Close the lid until the tomatoes are soft. I'm using this size glass for measuring the rice and the water. Remember, prior I said to save the water of the tandoori chicken. I'm adding 14 cups of water. Remember, 7 glass of rice. I'm adding 2 chicken stocks, closing the lid and opening it after the boil. 7 glass of rice as previously measured. When done, close the lid for 15 minutes. Before closing the lid again, cover it with newspaper, the lid and again a newspaper and something heavy for support. Open the lid and check if the rice was done. When it's done, add some color on top of it. Add the chicken on top of the rice. Again close the lid and cook in medium heat for 5 minutes. When done, off the stove and mix the food up and down. For tandoor taste, take a container, add burnt coal, pour some oil over it for the smoke, close the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid, and yes, our tandoori chicken mandi is ready to serve. This recipe was really delicious. Don't forget to share this with your friends and families and give this video a thumbs up.